What's up mga Dapper Cats?
What's up, Madlang people?
Meron pa tayong isa pa!
This is it, Jeremy!
The last announcement for this batch para po sa ating unang batch ng MF52 official film entries. And we have San Juan City Mayor Honorable Francis Zamora to announce the last entry.
Okay, so the last entry for this year's Metro Manila Film Festival. The story is about the lives of two people. Queenie, a successful skincare entrepreneur, and Kingston, a veteran furniture maker who will do anything to protect the lives they have worked so hard to achieve. Their families, their careers, and their dreams. Their worlds collide when an explosive first encounter turns them into instant rivals. What begins as a clash of pride quickly escalates into a chaotic and hilarious all-out war. Determined to outdo and sabotage one another, they become each other's worst enemies. But an unexpected turn of events forces them together, leading Queenie and Kingston to uncover the fears and wounds they have long tried to bury. Can two sworn enemies set aside their differences before their obsession with winning, and can their desire to prove they're right cost them everything they have worked for? The Greatest Showdown is a comedy film tough built by Vic Soto and Vice Ganda as lead actors, June Robles Lana as director and scriptwriter, Jumbo Albano, and produced by ABS-CBN Film Productions, Inc. The Idea First Company, APT Entertainment, Inc., and MZ Productions. Is The Greatest Showdown.
Hey, congratulations sa Greatest Showdown! Samahan niyo po kami dito sa Entablado, the stars and the production team, led by syempre Direk June Robles Lana, to receive the plaque from MMDA to be presented by Mayor Francis Zamora. Oh my God! Meron tayong surprise na bisita!
Masabog na naman, Jeremy!
Metro Manila Film Festival 2025 Best Actor, Meme Vice Ganda! At ang nag-iisang bossing, Vic Soto! Congratulations po sa pelikulang The Greatest Showdown! Let's have our photo up first at bibigyan natin ng pagkakataon ng ating mga stars at Direk June Robles Lana to say something to our audience.
Maraming salamat po sa pagkakataon nito. Kasama uli kami sa selebrasyon ng pelikulang Pilipino ngayon. Kaya syempre, at gagawin po namin ito para sa mga manonood. Gusto namin kayong makasaya. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Direk June. Meme! Bumati ka naman!
What's up mga Dapper Cats? Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa MMDA's Metro Manila Film Festival at hahayaan niyo ulit kami na makapagpasaya ng mga manonood sa araw ng Pasko at sobrang excited po yung buong team namin dahil ito po talaga yung pinakaihintay namin na may offer sa inyo ang collaboration namin ni Bossing Vic Soto at pinapangako po namin sa inyo na itong sa araw ng Pasko ay magbibigay talaga kami ng malalaking ngiti at halakak sa mga buong pamilya ninyo. Pagtutulungan po namin ng buong team ng Greatest Showdown po yan. Maraming salamat po.
And Bossing Vic Soto!
What's up, Madlang people? nasabi na lahat ni Vice eh. Kaya, ang totoo niya, ninenervous kami eh. Kanina, nag-uusap kami. Ay, pag di tayo natawa. Nag-uusap na kami, magsha-shopping na lang kami. At magme-merienda ng burger. Ganun pa man, maraming salamat sa MMDA, sa Metro Manila Film Festival. It's good to be back. And I'm back with the best actor, top grosser, Vice Ganda. It is my honor and pleasure. Maraming salamat po. We're very excited for this project. At ito po handog namin sa lahat ng mga manonood ng pelikulang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Once again, congratulations to the greatest showdown. May we call on stage the first 4 official entries of MMFF 52 for our official photo op.
An official group photo to capture the first batch for this year's Metro Manila Film Festival. Congratulations to all the entries this year.
Meron po tayong Haunted Carnival, ang pelikulang Amir, Second Miracle in Cell Number 7, and The Greatest Showdown. Chairman Lanasota, please join us on stage. And the MMFF Execom Committee, please join us.
Jeremy, we have the first 4 entries. Very exciting here in GH Mall. Let's capture this momentous occasion at excited ang lahat para sa 52nd Metro Manila Film Fest.
At sa mga susunod na buwan, abangan niyo po ang announcement natin ng susunod na 4 na entries ng MMFF 52. But for now, like what we've said earlier, first 4 pa lamang po ang mga pelikulang ito. Inaasahan po natin ang suporta ng bawat mamamayang Pilipino sa pelikulang Pilipino ngayong darating na Pasko. Metro Manila Film Festival 52, mas makabago, mas mapangahas at mas makabuluhang film festival.
Truly a new era for Philippine cinema at talagang magiging proud tayo sa mga pelikulang Pilipino. Ayan, let's all look at the cameras, give it our best smiles, and enjoy this wonderful moment.
Alright, guys, let's look at the camera. We have the members of the media also in the audience area to take our official photos.